Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine and learning chapters. Okay, so welcome back to Learn Power 2. Hi kids, feather cap. I know the level is increasing day by day for you, but this is because that you are growing now. Okay, so in today's class we will learn how to write 3 or 4 letter words. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now these are 3 or 4 letter words together. Let's see how we can write this. First one is cat. This is cat. Okay, C-A-T, cat. Write C, A and then T. Okay, next is gun. G-U-N, gun. G-U-N. You will write this letter like this by joining them. Okay, you have to write each letter together. Next is B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. Okay, next is hen, her, hen. H-E-N, hen. All right, next is pot, P-O-T, pot. Next is cake. Who likes yummy cake? Now this is 4-letter word, okay? Cake. Next is fish. Very nice. Next is tree. And then book. B-O-O-K, book. And we have done 3 or 4 letter words. And you will practice it one more time over here, okay? So, by practicing, you will learn how to write 3 or 4 letter words together. Okay, that's it for today. And I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.